another bake. Today I'm going to show you how to make sour cream coffee cake with a cinnamon pecan streusel. So let's get started. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. For the streusel, mix together 85 grams of all-purpose flour with 110 grams of light brown sugar and 7.5 grams of cinnamon. Cut in 113 grams of cold, cubed, unsalted butter until you get a coarse, sandy texture. Then mix in 150 grams of chopped pecans. For the batter, cream together 226 grams of room temperature unsalted butter with 150 grams of granulated sugar. Mix until smooth and fluffy. Scrape the bowl and mix in 100 grams of whole eggs. Mix until well incorporated. Mix in 5 grams of vanilla extract, 56 grams of room temperature whole milk, and 230 grams of room temperature sour cream. Be sure to scrape the bowl between each addition to ensure even mixing. In a separate bowl, mix together 250 grams of all-purpose flour with 5 grams of salt, 5 grams of baking powder, and 2.5 grams of baking soda. Then add it to the mixer. Mix batter just until it comes together. Do not overmix. Grease an 8x8 baking pan. Spread half of the batter into an even layer on the bottom of the pan. Then sprinkle half of the streusel, followed by the rest of the batter and top off of the remaining streusel. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 to 50 minutes. Moist, tender, buttery cake with a sweet, crunchy cinnamon topping. Just scrumptious. Enjoy! If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget the bell button for notifications. If you have any questions about the recipes, comment below or leave me suggestions for what sweet treats you would like to see in future videos. Life is uncertain, eat dessert first. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!